Hey everyone, welcome back to CCI Q&A. If you are preparing for a QA engineer interview, especially with 3 to 5 years of experience, this video is for you. Today, we will tackle some advanced QA interview questions and provide expert answers. Stick around till the end for bonus pro tips. Let's get started. Section 1. Testing fundamentals and methodologies. Q1. What is the difference between verification and validation? Verification. Are we building the product right? Ensures the software meets requirements before coding. Reviews, walkthroughs, inspections. Validation. Are we building the right product? Ensures the final product meets user needs. Actual testing, UAT. Q2. TDD versus BDD. What's the difference? TDD, test-driven development. Write test cases first, then write code to pass those tests. Focused on unit testing. Example, unit, test ng. BDD, behavior-driven development. Write tests in plain English. Gherkin syntax. Focused on user behavior and collaboration. Example, Cucumber, SpecFlow, behave. Q. 3 types of testing. Functional testing. What the system should do. Unit, integration, system. Non-functional testing. How the system performs. Performance, security, usability. Exploratory testing. Unscripted, tester-driven testing. Regression testing. Ensuring new changes don't break existing functionality. Q4. Agile methodologies and QA's role. Agile testing aligns with iterative development. QA is involved from day one. Continuous feedback loops. Short sprint cycles with regression and automation. Section 2. Test design and automation. Q5. How do you design an automated test suite for a web app login? Step 1. Identify test scenarios. Valid login, invalid login, empty fields, locked account, etc. Step 2. Choose an automation framework. Selenium Web, Appium Mobile, Cypress JavaScript. Step 3. Implement page object model POM for maintainability. Step 4. Integrate with CI/CD pipelines like Jenkins GitHub Actions. Step 5. Run tests on cross browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Q6. What are common API testing steps and handling authentication? Steps for API testing. Validate HTTP methods. Get, post, put, delete. Verify status codes. 200, success. 401, unauthorized. 500, server error. Check response time and data accuracy. Handling authentication. API keys, OAuth, JWT tokens. Ensure token expiration and error handling. Use Postman pre-request scripts for dynamic tokens. Q7. How to ensure data integrity in database testing. Key checks. Validate ACID properties. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Use SQL queries to check data consistency. Test stored procedures and triggers. Ensure data rollback and transactions work correctly. Section 3. Real-world scenarios and bug reporting. Q. 8. Share a challenging bug you found and how you resolved it. Example. Once I found a login session timeout issue where users were being logged out inconsistently. Used browser dev tools to track session expiry. Found a race condition between token refresh and session expiry. Fixed by adding server-side session validation. Q9. Regression versus progression testing. Regression testing ensures existing features still work after changes. Progression testing focuses on testing new features for correctness. Q10. When to run acceptance tests versus sanity tests. Acceptance testing. At the end of a sprint before release. Sanity testing. Quick checks before in-depth testing after minor bug fixes. Section 4. Performance and strategy questions. 11. How do you test an e-commerce site during peak loads? Use load testing tools, JMeter, Gatling. Simulate thousands of users to check performance. Test payment gateways for transaction handling. Monitor server response time and database queries. Q12. How do you handle conflicts with developers over bug reports? Provide detailed bug reports with logs, screenshots. Replicate the issue with clear steps. Suggest possible solutions instead of just reporting. Maintain a collaborative mindset instead of blame. Section 5. Bonus questions and wrap-up. Q13. What is a QA's role during a retrospective? Q14. Manual versus automated testing. Your thoughts? Q15. How do you handle requests from a product manager that are out of scope? And that's a wrap. These were some of the most asked advanced QA engineer interview questions. Let me know in the comments which question you found most challenging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interview tips. See you in the next video. Movie camera fire.